the chief guest, we can offer BLS services to summarize this, send it to all the members, and sort of continue this exercise and this discussion for future. Maybe we can create this as a platform with the diplomatics to take this forward, to keep having such interactions and going more specifically into things. Just to try and tell you what 4 pillars of BLS we have, Mr. Nikhil Gupta is our managing director, a solid finance guy who sailed the company through these financial times. We got Shikhar Agarwal, the young, dynamic person who's trying to drive the new technology, the innovations of the system. I also helped a little bit after my retirement from Nestlé Purina as managing director to bring them as a MNC, to at the end of the day operate out of 66 countries. We also have Charu, who is our head of sales. She is the one who contacts everybody, and we have the help of doing this work for you. We talked about cultures in India from the European side. We talked about cultures in India from the India side. I thought I will talk about as a resident, but probably that what I thought of is becoming a summary of what all these people talked about. People-to-people contact, student exchange, we talked about. Sports, I'm sure Europeans can teach us a lot of sports. We can teach only one, the baseball played from both sides, which is called cricket. That's the only sport we play slightly better. But otherwise, there are sports we can do. Obviously, we talked about trade. We talked about trade growth. We also talked about rural development. This probably is the biggest requirement. And Europe has learned this. People don't have to stay in the Paris or into the Kuala Lumpur and all the other European big cities. They can live wherever they are and live very comfortably. Same way, I think we can learn on the energy front or the supply chain, the foreign exchange, the outsourcing, the food. We still have 30% of food going wasted, which is a shame. So this is one area which we can definitely work on, and obviously the industry which all of you talked about. I'll talk about what BLS can do for you in this area. One of our core competence remains to be visa, passport, visa outsourcing. We also do verification. We also do biometrics. We also do citizen services of identity at many locations. The one more area which is coming up very interestingly in India and internationally is fintech, or which is known as financial sector. Opening bank branches is becoming expensive. So most of the people are going out of the branches and creating small shops who do everything what the branches do. So it's an amazingly interesting work which is I'll share with you. And outsourcing is not only at the national level, it's happening at the state level. Every state does their outsourcing in a different manner. I need a birth certificate. Earlier I used to go to municipal corporation, wait, find a dalal to do it. Now you can go to a small shop and he will do it for you with very low cost. So going on what we can do, we have a global presence. We are there in 66 countries. We also have a network of our locations and network of our services, which you can see we almost everywhere which we work. So in summary, we work with 36 governments across the world, 66 countries. We have offices of over 12,000 centers. We employ more than 15,000 employees and associates, and we employ more than 60 countries employees who work with us at BLS. Our key pillars are something not very new, but I think every large organization of this size operating out of various places has to carry the processes, the domain expertise, the data security. End of the day, we deal with passports or with the banks or with the government. We have to have the quality and continuous improvement. This is also the summary which I sort of said on visa, the e-visa, the SIT, all the biometrics, the consular services, how do we do the call center work. This is totally part of the work, having 4 core pillars on which we work, which is quality, processing, compliances, and improvements, constantly improving and providing services which we get. Call center we have in many countries. We are serving this in many places, pan-India, across the world. Many centers, many languages. So we talk to you, some of your friends have talked about languages. We are offering these services. This will be interesting to my Spain team. This is what we do in Delhi for Spain, but we also do the same thing in many other places. We go and promote on social media, so that's part of our work which we keep doing. We also have centers in Tunisia, Algeria, Small places, we will have these Egypt, we are trying to create the feeling, the service which we need to do. Casablanca, Kenya, South Africa, so all these locations which we are offering using local staff. That's the key here. And that's what the management is all about. This is the work which I talked about. Banking, outsourcing of banks. So all the large government banks we are now working with, whether it is State Bank, whether it is Bank of Baroda, whether it is Paytm or Punjab National Bank, we work with them. And we offer, what do we offer? We offer them everything. Opening a bank account, taking the cash, because banks work 10 to 4. These people work 12 hours. They use the same software, so there is no problem of cash. So you can go to a villages, have a small shop, offer you the same service. So we have the government projects. The government projects happen twice, two methods. One, government says, come to my office, sit here, do it for me. Other one, government says, don't sit in my office, use my software, go anywhere and do it. We do both. So that's what I try and share with you. One of the projects which we do with Punjab government, we sit in the Punjab government offices. In their DC office, in their Tehsil office, in small offices, we do all the work which was earlier having only central. Which has now moved, so what are we doing? Aadhaar card, health certificate, gun certificate, death certificate, you name it. 254 services are offered through these small entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs are living. We help them. So we have a government, we are in between, and we have these people who do this work. So it's amazingly simple. You can go and you can get it done. We use the same software, so no cheating. So you can see this. This is also made like you do in a bank or a visa center. Clean, hygienic, air conditioned. You keep doing this kind of effort in all locations. So what do we learn? The government earns, the people earn, the total time spent goes down, the entire efficiency of the system becomes better. Here also we promote those services. I'll give you a bus ticket, please come. I'll give you a train ticket, please come. So that's part of the marketing which we do for every activity we are trying. Similarly, this UP government, he works slightly differently. They said, don't come to my office. Rural, urban, and big cities, they have allowed these counters. You can see these pictures. The father was a grocery or a milk supplier. The son became a computer engineer. Now he wants to do something for living. And this is what they do. Amazingly easy, earns money, lives for his family. He doesn't have to come to cities. Then we do all that work which has to happen, launch conferences, award them, work with the principals, have those associations to make people happy. We have some 12,000 counters across 12 districts where we do this work. So it's like finding them, making sure they don't cheat, because that's the key, making sure they have the technology to do, making sure they have the money to do. This is another one which we are trying to create an app which can eventually come to your phone and you can book your train tickets and rail tickets and do all the other activities which could be created through this model. At the moment we are offering 17 services, we want to go to 70 and then to 7. Offer everything in one app. So this is all the list of things which we are doing, bill payments, the Nepal money transfer, all that you can do with this small app. Moving to my last slide. We are trying to tie up with Indian Oil. So all the petrol pumps, we will open same counters. So we have those counters, and these Indian Oil are not always in the city, they are also in the villages. You got one person with a net connectivity, with a phone, and you go there, and he does all the work which the state government wants, or a central government wants, or a bank wants. One of the good initiatives, we are trying to take it forward. With that, I come to the last, which is to say thank you to the chief guests, to each one of you gentlemen who offered such wonderful insights. We will definitely summarize. I will not do my job if I don't clap for two ladies who worked over these 3-4 days of holidays, Kanchi and Wajia. The two people who really put this together. Believe me, if we can be of any help to any one of you in any form,